This is a short video on Enhanced Notes, one of the GP Elements add-ins from ISE software. The key feature of Enhanced Notes is the storage of notes as individual discrete entities instead of one monolithic entry within the notes field itself. So in the Enhanced Note window, you see the standard functionality of GP with the yellow note window, with the attach button, document attach buttons, and so on. But when a note is entered and attach clicked, that note is recorded as a separate entity and shown on the right hand side here. And each individual note as it's entered is stamped with the user, the date, and the time at which it was entered. This means you can accurately track a conversation had around a record. Say there's an invoice in dispute, you can use this window to keep track of all the discussions which have been had. And these notes are available for reporting and other purposes through GP as well. Notes can be entered against records and windows. So record notes would usually record subjects such as chasing of invoices or communications with a client. The window notes used more for recording different training elements for the internal users. But each note entered is stored as a discrete individual note, so you can easily see when individual items were added to the notes. So that's how Enhanced Notes works for multiple notes in the system. Thanks for watching.